we just do? Think about where we're growing. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some cool little MacBook hacks, tricks, tips, the whole 9 yards that I've learned, discovered, that have been super beneficial. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. So the first one is split screen. I use this literally every single day with school. Is basically having two window screens at the same time, kind of like splitting your screen, much like you've probably seen on like newer versions of the iPad. So basically you go up to the plus sign, you hold it, and then you're going to see a few different little options, and basically it's going to allow you to split your current window either to the left or to the right depending on where you want it orientated on your computer. You can select that particular option, and then you can just put the other screen on the opposite side. So super convenient. Again, if you're a person who maybe you're taking notes and you want to have the PowerPoint on one side but then you're like Google Doc on the other while you're taking notes, this is a great little lifesaver instead of having to go back and forth from tab to tab. And just have them in two separate windows makes life so much easier. Up next is the cool little feature called Scan Document from iPhone or iPad, and you can just have it quickly, instantly upload to your MacBook. This feature has been there for so long, but I've never actually like twiddled with it until this past year. Hit that little icon and you take a picture and it's on your little notes, and then boom, it like generates right onto the MacBook. It all like works together and I love it. Next is summarizing an article. So basically you can go to the article, there's a little button, I'll show you right now where it is, and you can hit that and it will go ahead and just summarize everything that's on that web page about that article. So if you're a person who's like, hey, I just need to know if this article would be good, it's one of my sources, but I don't really want to invest reading the whole article, I just want to kind of see if generally it would make sense, you can quickly read that brief synopsis and then know whether or not to continue reading the full thing or to move along to a new article. Speech to text, so just using, I won't say her name, I'll insert it right here, and she will do the diction. You like to hear audio and stuff, and maybe you even wrote your notes. You can literally just speak all your handwritten notes and boom, they're now electronic. You didn't have to go and like type them all out. That feature alone, such a great MacBook hack. Next is so helpful when you're copying things from different places and they all have different styles and fonts and stuff going on. This is the quickest way to avoid all of that, and I'll show you right now, and that's boom, how you reformat it in less than 2 seconds. I wish I had known this years ago, so don't be like me, know it now and apply it now. Along with this next one, I wish I had known this 2 years ago, because with YouTube there's a lot of downloading involved, just sending files even off of my SD card, labeling things, making sure I know what different clips are about so that way I can use them in the future, and bulk renaming these files. That would have been nice to know. That would have been nice to know. But thank you to TikTok for now telling me. This is a quick little tutorial. That's a quick little tutorial on how you can do it. Wish I had known that sooner, but now I do, and now I use it all the time. Next is you can use the little spotlight feature. You just hit the little icon in the upper right hand corner where it says like spotlight search, and you can just go ahead and put in some kind of math equation. It acts like a calculator. I'm the person who literally went to Google and put calculator or used the calculator app. Things I just wish I had known. Just don't let it go to waste. Just actually use this stuff. Now that I know these hacks, life will never be the same. This one I have known for a while. Little change of pace. How to do a screen recording and a screenshot, the little shortcut. So basically you hit the controls Command Shift 4 and that will give you the little screenshot like icon. If you do Command Shift 5, it'll give you the other controls where you can either screenshot the whole web page, just the desktop in general. If you want to screen record the whole web page, the desktop just in general, just gives you a little bit more options. Next, I don't know, this is kind of a random one. I never really had to use this. There's a little icon of how you can make the Apple icon basically anywhere. All you have to do is hit Option Shift K. So if you want to make the Apple icon appear anywhere, whether it's in a text, in notes, on a web page, you just hit Option Shift K. And the last one is how to hide or unhide your deck. This is easy. All you have to do is hit Command Option D and then the deck will disappear, or you hit it again and it reappears. So those were just a few little MacBook hacks that I've discovered either through TikTok, through trial and error myself, or through other friends and Mac users. If you enjoyed, remember to subscribe. Also remember to follow me on my socials. They'll be linked down below and then right here for your convenience. And until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.